before you hop into those charts, you need to actually know how to set this up and how to use pocket options. Now, I didn't even think about creating one of these videos because I figured that everyone just, knew how to use this. But I introduced one of my new clients to trading, and I gave her the setup, my checklist on how to, set up your chart and blah, blah, blah. And she was like, I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at. So we're going to talk about setting up your chart. And in another video, we're going to talk about trading basics, okay? And things that you need to know before you can even start talking strategies. Now, look, I am showing you what this looks like on my phone. I'm using an iPhone, and so this is the browser version, not the app version of pocket options on my phone. So right here, these are basically all the assets you could trade. I stick with currencies. I have things like Bitcoin and crypto, etc. We have commodities when it's actually available. We have things like Amazon, Intel, those are stocks. And then we have indices. So there's quite a bit on here. So the dollar sign is going to be currencies. So you can actually change the order by clicking on payouts. So we're just going to choose something. Okay, now we have an asset to trade on. Right next to that, you're going to find a bunch of options. You just click on those three dots and you can change your candles. So chart type, like line, candles, bars, and Heikin-Ashi. I use Heikin-Ashi. And time frames, 5 seconds up to 1 day. Back on chart types, you're going to see things like enable timer. I always have that enabled, and enable auto scroll. And you can also change the colors of the candles. All right, let's go back here. And this is where you're going to find all your indicators. Now, my strategy utilizes the Williams percentage and CCI, and then 3 moving averages. All of those are found under the screen. You can also see that when you open and close, that you can actually edit these. So you would click on the little pen and you can edit its settings and colors and all of that. Now, another thing that people do not do enough is set up, your zones and your trend lines and your support and resistance. You're going to do all that using these drawings. Right here, we have time and amount. That is the expiration time of your trade. And if you click on the little clock, now it's going to change it to the flag. We'll cover a flag in a different video. So my trades are 5 or 15 seconds. Right next to it, amount, that is how much you are going to put on a trade. You can also change it to, the percentage. All right, so now you're going to see at the bottom of the screen, you have things like where you can go and check out your open or closed trades. You can check out signals, social trading, express trades, tournaments, pending trades, etc. If you click on your profile picture, it's going to open up trading, finance, profile, market, achievements, chat, help, and etc. Okay, and then you'll see other things that are available on there. So that is going to be the basics of doing this. So before you even think about taking a trade, you're going to want to go and click on the 3 dots, go over to drawings, and use trend lines and horizontal lines to set up your support and resistance, as well as your trend lines. You want to make sure you have all of your indicators set up. If you're using any indicators, make sure that you have your candles and the correct timing set up, and then you are ready to trade. All right, so if you want to learn how to trade, if you want a great strategy to make money that is very, very simple, that anybody can learn and use, head over to Telegram. The link is at the top of the screen, and I will see you on the next beginner's video.